Good morning friends, good morning my dear students. It's Mohit Bhagat. M is equal to M, that's by Mohit Bhagat. This is the chapter number 8. Okay, chapter number 8, an application of integration in standard 12th. We are just going for the start of this chapter for the GUSET as well as JEE mains. So first of all we discuss about the different type of curves. The first one is circle. There are total 3 types of circles. Equations are possible in examinations. The first one is x square plus y square is equal to r square, which is a standard equation of the circle. It is center 0 0 and radius is equal to r. And second one is the general solution, general equation. It is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so now what happened? Whose center is what? Center c is minus g minus f, and radius r is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. Okay, this is the general equation of the circle. Now third one, it is center and radius. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, where h and k is your center of the circle and r is equal to radius of the circle. Okay, now this one is second number. It is circle के बाद we discuss about the parabola. Okay, so it's most important part of this chapter. Now from textual we see about the parabola. The parabola के बहुत सारे sums है. Around 70 to 75% are on the base of the parabola. Okay, so this is most important. We know the parabola standard equation. The standard equation of parabola is y square is equal to 4ax and y square is equal to 4ax. Well, there are two conditions. Either a is greater than 0 and a is less than 0. तो नाउ x एंड y टू वेरिएबल्स आर देयर. दोनों में से किसी भी एक का स्क्वायर दिया है, दूसरे का स्क्वायर नहीं दिया है. दैट मीन्स इट्स ए पैराबोला. ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट हैपन? दिस वन इज अराउंड x एक्सिस बिकॉज x इज अलोन. y स्क्वायर x जो अलोन होता है उसके अराउंड हमें ड्रॉ करना होता है. उसमें y स्क्वायर को सब्जेक्ट बनाने के बाद x का कोएफिशिएंट क्या है? पॉजिटिव. दैट इज ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड. ओके, and this one is on the left hand side because coefficient of x is what? 4a, which is less than 0, so it is on the left hand side. Now same as it is x square is equal to 4by and x square is equal to 4by. So here it is b is less than 0, here b is greater than 0. So now x square is there, only alone कौन है? y. तो it is around y axis, but y का जो coefficient है वो कैसा है? पॉजिटिव. दैट मीन्स इट इज अपवर्ड साइड आएगा. ठीक है, सो दिस इज ऑन दिस साइड एंड देन इट इज नेगेटिव. कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y इज नेगेटिव. दैट मीन्स इट इज ऑन द डाउनवर्ड साइड. ओके, this all 4 parabolas from the equation we can say that 0 0 satisfied, so it is a passing to the origin, but it is not compulsory it is passing to the origin and it is like that standard equation. No, it is not compulsory. So another type is what? Y square is equal to 4x minus 3, like this. This is also the parabola. So how to draw this parabola? So now for that we have given that what? Y square is equal to x. So first of all identify it is around x axis or y axis. तो अकेला x है, that is around x axis, and कोएफिशिएंट y स्क्वायर को सब्जेक्ट बनाने के बाद x का जो कोएफिशिएंट है वो पॉजिटिव है, इसलिए वो पॉजिटिव x एक्सिस के साथ आएगा. ठीक है, तो नाउ पुट x इक्वल्स टू 0 एंड y इक्वल्स टू 0 स्टेप बाय स्टेप. इफ x इज इक्वल्स टू 0 तो y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू -3, विच इज नेवर पॉसिबल. एस पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू -3 पॉसिबल नहीं है, यानी वो y एक्सिस y इज इक्वल टू समथिंग, x इक्वल्स टू 0, y इक्वल्स टू समथिंग, तो इट इज y एक्सिस पे पॉइंट होगा, तो ये y एक्सिस को इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेगा. Now same as we put y equals to 0. If we put y equals to 0, then x is equal to 3 by 4. That is 3 by 4 here. So like this is like this equation ऐसा आएगा. Then if we put y is equal to x square minus 2x, like this, that is also parabola. This is x square, अकेला y है तो क्या होगा? It is around y axis, both are positive. so that is upward side आएगा. Put x equals to 0, that is y equals to 0. Okay, put y equals to 0, तो x is equal to either 0 or 2. So there is 0 0 and 2 0 is the point. It is upward side. So now what happened? 0 0 and 2 0. So like this is our parabola. So now this type of different parabolas are there. Okay, so we can easily draw the graph of the given curve. Okay. Now then we go for the ellipse. क्वेश्चन नंबर उसमें थर्ड नंबर में आता है एलिप्स. तो एलिप्स में क्या होगा? एलिप्स की स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन वी नो दैट द एलिप्स इक्वेशन एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1 वेयर ए इज ग्रेटर देन बी और a is less than b. X square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1 where b is greater than a. b is greater than a. a is greater than b, then it is like oval जैसा shape आता है. We know that. Okay, and this one is on this way, that is on the upward side like this. Okay, is there any problem? No. Sure na? Okay, got it? Yeah. Now fourth number पे आता है, it is hyperbola. That is hyperbola. Hyperbola का standard equation is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. There is no condition a greater than b or b greater than a. It is hyperbola. It is around what? X axis. That means like this. Okay, then x square y square upon b square minus x square upon a square is equal to 1. This is around y axis, so like this. One more rectangular hyperbola. Rectangular hyperbola. So what is rectangular hyperbola? It's a standard equation like this. xy is equal to c. So there are two conditions, c is greater than 0 and c is less than 0. xy is equal to c where c पॉजिटिव होता है. तो दो x and y दोनों का प्रोडक्ट पॉजिटिव कब होगा? तो इट इज़ ऑन दी फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट और आइदर ऑन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट एंड थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट. तो अगर दोनों पॉजिटिव हैं तो इट इज़ लाइक दिस एंड थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट लाइक दिस. Okay, if xy is equal to c where c is less than 0, then what happen? So both are in either second quadrant or fourth quadrant because product is negative. When x and y दोनों में से कोई एक नेगेटिव होगा तब होगा. तो these are the different type of the curves. Okay, and one more is line, straight line. Either this way or this way or this way or this way. Okay, done. Okay, so now this is the first session for the different type of the curves. Okay, this is the first session for chapter number 8, an application of the integration, in which we have to find out the area of the bounded region by two different curves, one curve and different lines and lines. कुछ भी हो सकता है. देखते हैं हम आगे नेक्स्ट सेशन में. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट एंड if you have any doubt, any confusion, please write down in the comment and you just like it. Okay, you like this video and subscribe my channel. M is equal to M as by Mohit Bhagat. Have a good day. Goodbye.